Titan DrillCat is a machine that combines thermal cutting, whether plasma or oxy-fuel, with mechanical machining. In a single system, it enables drilling, tapping, and countersinking. It is used primarily in the production of load-bearing structural components, where holes must meet specific technological requirements. In the cycle shown here, the machine automatically performs tool changes, drilling, and tapping. Using a 6-tool magazine, it automatically selects the right tools for each stage of the machining process. After picking up the drill bit from the magazine, it moves straight on to drilling the hole. If additional holes are required, it automatically selects the next tool and continues working without any manual intervention. It then selects the tapping tool and produces threads in the prepared holes. Once hole machining is complete, the system automatically switches to the cutting support and cuts the part. The entire process runs smoothly and automatically, following the programmed sequence of operations. More information about the machine and its applications can be found at www.eckert-cutting.com.